ES300, the full servo-motor control CNC turret punch press. Different from the T30, the mechanical CNC turret punch press, ES300, all the motors are servo motors, including the punch ram control motor. Based on this servo motor, the punching ram punching rate can up to 2,000 times per minute. It's much higher than the T30. The standard layout 32 stations, including A, B, C, D, 4 stations. 2 auto-index stations included, with high punching rate and the diverse stations. This ES300 can reach the functions besides the T30 and other functions like rolling ribs, rolling offset, lettering, marking. For the system, the ES300, the system is designed by Tech. The linear guide and the ball screw are all from Germany, Rexroth.